Water is a precious commodity and clean drinking water is a basic human need. Water to be supplied for public use must be portable, that is, satisfactory for drinking purposes from the standpoint of its chemical, physical, and biological characteristics. Unfortunately, more than 1 in 6 people still lack reliable access to this precious resource in developing world. Clarifiers plays a very important role in a water treatment plant, which purifies the water received from a fresh water resource by removing solid particulates or suspended solids from liquid for clarification. Concentrated impurities discharged from the bottom of the tank are known as sludge. Water treatment sludges are typically alum sludges with solid concentrations varying from 0.25 to 10 percentage when removed from a basin. Sludge which accumulates on the bottom of the sedimentation basins must be removed periodically for the following reasons: to prevent interference with the settling process, such as resuspension of solids due to scouring, to prevent the sludge from becoming septic or providing an environment for the growth of microorganisms that create taste and odor problems, and to prevent excessive reduction in the cross sectional area of the basin, that is, reduction of detention time. In a water treatment plant, the alum sludge is removed from the bottom of the basin through a sludge withdrawal pipeline. Alum sludge is discharged through the withdrawal pipeline by gravity action and controlled by a set of gate valves fitted inside a manhole of around 20 feet in depth. Manual declogging of the withdrawal pipeline is a very difficult process. Vehicle mounted mechanized drain cleaning system indigenously developed by CSIR CMERI Durgapur under Swachh Bharat mission is proving its worthiness by providing one-point solution for all such problems. The system's high-pressure hydrojetting process proved to be the best solution for solving these types of blockages. To support the manual scavenging workers by making their task simpler and easier with a noble intention to bring smiles on their faces through scientific innovations.